In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share videos or live streams to our YouTube community. Just click share, create post, type @ to mention the channel, click on the channel name that appears to complete the mentioning of the channel, complete our message, then click post. And it's done. We already shared it to our community. In order to check that, we need to exit from this live stream and go to our channel home. Click back, click on our channel icon and go to your channel, then go to community. And it's there. We already shared the video or live stream video. In order to go back, just click on that video and we will be back on the live stream. So once we're back, we type done share. That's it. That's how easy it is to share live streams on our YouTube community. Now let's share another live stream. In order to do that, close that chat box, click share, click create post, type @ and mention the channel name. Click on the channel name that appears below to complete the mentioning of the channel. Then complete our message regarding the video or live stream that we are sharing. After completing the message, click post. And it's done. It's already shared to our community. Let's check exit from the live stream. Click on your channel logo, go to your channel, and go to our community. And it's there. We already shared the live stream to our YouTube community. To go back on the live stream, we can either click on the video that we are sharing or click on the video down below that is still playing. And we're back. Open the live chat. And we're back on the live stream. That's how easy it is to share live streams on our YouTube community. YouTube community and community post is available once your channel have reached 500 subscribers and above. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.